Today we've got a 2016 Ford Focus 1.5 TDCi with roughly 58,000 miles on the clock. Just checking fluid levels here, brake fluid reservoir, which is a little bit tricky to access, but you can see maximum and a little arrowhead pointing to a line there. The minimum is down below this moulding edge here. A bit difficult to see. Usually you can, I don't know if you can see, I've got the light shining in the tank there and you can see it's around about this moulding line. So it could do with a little dribble in there. If your brake fluid is particularly low, then clearly you've got another issue, something going on with the braking system, and it would be a good idea to have a good look round all your brake linings, pipes, even the clutch. Hydraulic clutch works from this reservoir as well on a lot of cars. Make sure there's no leaks. This one, I do know it is just a little bit too low because the front brake pads are roughly half worn. It's just down to wear and tear. So I've got a nice clean funnel here. Just going to use that to pop a drop of brake fluid in. Make sure you get the right fluid for your car. This one, as you can see, .4. You do get different dot numbers. That's the most common one you'll find on a majority of cars on the road. And it's a good idea to make sure you use a new batch of brake fluid, not something that's been sat around on the shelf for years, because it does absorb moisture. And that's the last thing you want in your braking system. I think that was it, just a little tiny dribble of fluid. Yeah, that's it, we're up to the maximum mark. Also, try not to get any of this on the car bodywork, as it makes an extremely good paint stripper. If you do get it on the bodywork, just use a damp soft cloth and yeah, plenty of water really, just to wash it all off. It does dilute down nicely. That's it, there we go.